Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Seeing the scenes, you've gone around. What's your assessment of the situation after the 24-hour curfew imposed to ensure that peace returns to the warring communities?
Well, apparently we have gone around. As you can all see that all the security agencies are here, and the 24-hour curfew imposed has been very, very, effective, because we went around all the three communities, Ilobu, Ifon, and Erin, Osun. So we went around, and the 24-hour curfew very, very effective. And let me say this, I have to thank all the security agencies. With their swift response. Immediately we had that emergency meeting, and they came over and took over the whole place and make sure that everywhere is calm. Today I'm so happy, and I have to appreciate all the security agencies for the swift response to making sure that Osun is safe, because Osun has been a very peaceful state, and these are the security agencies that have been doing it, and they didn't disappoint me, and they came over, and I'm happy to tell my people, Osun people, that the whole place is calm, and I thank you, for doing it. I appreciate all the security agencies, and I can assure you that we keep doing what we need to do to help whatever that you do to make sure that you work well.
Mr. Governor, what's your appeal to the people of these communities?
Well, you see, this shows that although it has been lingering, the guys have been lingering long time ago. When I first came in, and I told them, listen, where you are fighting all the time with because of common land and everything like that, there will be no development. All the investors that even want to come and do something here, they will run away. And the thing is that once they hear Osun, they will not know it's only the side of one section of community. They will run away. What I'm saying is that so there's no need for all these fights or fighting because of land and everything. So we have put a lot of things in place that will make sure, by the special grace of God, that it will be permanent, so that there will be no rancor for fighting and everything. I'm giving a directive that all the culprits will be brought to book and be arrested. I'm not going to take any nonsense anymore, because it's getting too much. My people are dying, burning houses. It is not acceptable. And all the security agencies, they have already agreed, to do what they have to do. They are experts, and they will do what to do to make sure that this is permanent.
Yoruba.